Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set the time of your BMW Mini Cooper. We are sitting inside the car and first it's dark. Now we have to briefly press the button in the turn indicator lever repeatedly until the set and info is displayed. But first we have to set ignition on. Good job. There you can see we are pushing until set and info is displayed. There it is. Press and hold the button until the display changes. Oh yeah. Briefly press the button repeatedly until the symbol and set are displayed. Press and hold the button until the display changes. Now press the button to set the hours. Wait for the display to change to minutes. Yeah, set it first and then we have to wait a little bit. Press the button to set the minutes now. Wait for the display to change. And after this, the settings of the clock are stored. Okay, let's go on. Set the date. Briefly press the button in the turn indicator lever repeatedly until set info is displayed. Press and hold the button until the display symbol changes. Briefly press the button repeatedly until the symbol and set are displayed. Press and hold the button until the display changes. Press the button to set the day of the month. Wait for the display to change the month. Set the month and year in the same way. Wait for the display to change. The settings are stored. This is the step how you can set your clock and how to set the date of your BMW Mini Cooper. Good job. Ignition on, and after this, use the indicator lever repeatedly to set all your date and time settings. That it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.